Today we're making this DIY snow. We need a 1/2 cup conditioner and 3 cups baking soda. We're gonna pour it in a bowl. And we're gonna mix it really well with our hands. All right, so here it is. This is what it looks like. It feels like snow, kind of, but I like it better than the one at the store because you can actually form it into a ball. The other one you can't really form, then you could break it apart and use it for whatever you want. But we're gonna use it for sensory play and add some numbers into it and letters and have some learning time.